This tutorial explains how to perform keyword research to enhance your content strategy. You will learn to identify, analyze, and select effective keywords for your projects. Once the topic is selected, the workflow automatically transitions into keyword research. You can see which keywords were previously selected so you aren't using the same ones over and over. That way, you're always targeting different focus keywords. You start with keyword concepts, which are the broad ideas that help seed your keyword research. Click any of the pre-selected concepts to exclude them from the keyword research. Once the concepts are locked in, click the Research button. You will see a progress counter that indicates it is researching each concept. You can see that the keyword research is pulling real data. The search volume, competition, intent, relevance, and difficulty are broken into different categories. Find a keyword with a balance of search volume versus difficulty. Lower volumes with low difficulty are great targets. Then lock in your keyword. All right, this tutorial guided you through conducting keyword research, from introducing concepts to finalizing your keyword selection. You can now confidently identify and lock in effective keywords for your content strategy.